Assalamualaikum students, I hope you all are fine, and today in English language in H2 we will complete workbook page number 3 and 5. So let's start our class. So student, in page number 3 our topic is alphabetical order. In previous class students we learned that how to write capital and small alphabets, and today our topic is alphabetical order. So first of all students, here we will write a day, and our day is 2 and day is Tuesday, TUES Tuesday, day Tuesday, and here we will write our unit, and our unit is 1, and here we will write a date. Okay, now let's move on our topic, and our topic is alphabetical order. So what is alphabetical order? A word beginning with A comes before a word beginning with B. Means हम जो है कैपिटल लेटर्स लिखते हैं, अल्फ़ाबेट्स लिखते हैं A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These called alphabetical order. So for example, here is an apple, and here is a ball. So apple means apple starts with the letter A, and A comes before B. So this is our first letter, means our first alphabet, and after A comes B, so this is our second letter. So apple, and here is a ball. And here is examples of others. Here is a cat, this is an apple, and this is a banana, and this is a doll. So students, we will write these pictures on lines. For example, सबसे पहले क्या आता है, A, B, C या D? तो आपको मालूम है सबसे पहले क्या आता है? Of course A आता है. So our first word is apple. What comes after A? B आता है, ठीक है. So here is a word start with B is banana. So our second word is banana. B के बाद क्या आता है? What comes after B? C. So here is a word start with letter C is cat. So here we will write cat. And what comes after C? The letter D. And here is a word start with the D is doll. So our last word is doll. Means A says apple, B says banana, C says cat, and D says doll. Okay students, clear? Now let's move on our exercise. Here is exercise A. Write in alphabetical order. Students, here are some words and we will write these words in alphabetical order. यहाँ पर कुछ words दिए हुए हैं जिनको हमें alphabetical order के मुताबिक लिखने हैं. So okay students, our first letter is A, and here is a word start with letter A is an apple. So our first word is apple. APPLE, apple. Okay, after A comes letter B, and here is a word start with the letter B is bicycle. So our second word is bicycle. BICYCLE, bicycle. Okay, the letter comes after B is C. So here is a word start with letter C is cat. So here we will write cat, CAT, cat. The letter comes after C is a letter D, and here is a word start with letter D is dog. So our fourth word is dog, and here we will write dog, DOG, dog. The letter comes after D is a letter E. So here is a word start with letter E is egg. So here we will write egg, EGG, egg. The letter comes after E is letter F. So here is a word start with letter F is football. So our sixth word is football. F-O-O-T, foot. B-A-L-L, ball, football. After comes letter F is a letter G, and here is a word start with letter G is goat. So here we will write a goat, G-O-A-T, goat. The letter comes after G is H, and here is a word start with letter H is hen. So our last word is hen, H-E-N, hen. I hope student you have clear your concept about alphabetical order. Alphabetical order क्या होते हैं? A से लेकर Z तक जो लाइन से अल्फ़ाबेट्स आ रहे होते हैं उन्हें कहते हैं हम alphabetical order. Okay students, now let's move on page number 5. Page number 5. So same, first of all we will write here a day, and the day is 2, and the day is Tuesday. Our unit is 1, and here you will write a date. Here is exercise A, and the question is read these carefully and write in alphabetical order in their respective columns. Color the pictures. Here are some pictures. अब हमें इन पिक्चर्स को क्या करना है? कॉलम्स में लिखना है. मीन्स जितनी भी वर्ड्स हैं यहाँ पर, जितने भी पिक्चर्स हैं जो ए से स्टार्ट हो रही हैं उन्हें हम यहाँ लिखेंगे. जितने भी जो पिक्चर्स हैं जो बी से स्टार्ट हो रही हैं उन्हें हम यहाँ लिखेंगे. जितने भी पिक्चर्स हैं जो सी से स्टार्ट हो रही हैं उन्हें हम यहाँ लिखेंगे. एंड जितनी भी पिक्चर्स हैं जो स्टार्ट हो रही हैं विद अल्फ़ाबेट डी वो हम लास्ट में लिखेंगे. So now let's begin to write. So first letter is A. So here we will write an aeroplane. So A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Our first picture start with letter A is an apple. So here we will write an apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. The picture start with the letter A is an arrow. So here we will write an arrow, A-R-R-O-W, arrow. And the last picture start with the letter A is an ant. So here we will write ant, A-N-T, ant. Okay, now let's move on letter B. So which picture start with the letter B is a box. So here we will write a box, B-O-X, box. Our second picture start with the letter B is a ball. So here we will write a ball, B-A-L-L, ball. Our third picture start with the letter B is a banana. So here we will write a banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. And our last picture start with the letter B is a bun. So here we will write a bun, B-U-N, bun. Okay student, now let's move on alphabet C. So here is a picture start with the letter C is a cat. So here we will write a cat, C-A-T, cat. Next picture start with the letter C is a cap. So here we will write a cape. Our third picture start with the letter C is a corn. So here we will write a corn, C-O-R-N, corn. And our last picture start with the letter C is a coat. So here we will write a coat, C-O-A-T, coat. Now students, let's move on alphabet D. So our first picture start with a letter D is dog. So here we will write a dog, D-O-G, dog. Our next picture start with letter D is desk. So here we will write a desk, D-E-S-K, desk. And our third picture start with the letter D is a door. So here we will write a door, D-O-O-R, doll. And our last picture start with the letter D is a doll. So here we will write a doll. Okay students, we have complete our classwork. Now it's time for homework, and in homework you will have to complete page number 4 and 6. So here is a page number 4. You will complete your homework. This is your homework, and page number 6. This is your homework. Okay, and the topic is same, alphabetical order. I hope students you have clear your concept about alphabetical order. Have a blessed day. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.